Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing very well in your life. Friends, my name is Nathraj Kaur. I am an English teacher and I teach at Sanskar Genius Public School. Friends, it's afternoon and I am free now, so I have decided to make a videos. So in this video, friends, I am going to talk about some problems which are increasing inside our country. So please watch this video till the end because this video is going to be very interesting. And friends, let me tell you, this video I am not criticizing any administrations, any particular governments. My motive to make this video to remind you that there are many problems which are increasing day by day. So friends, let's begin the topic. Today in this video, I am going to talk about unemployment. Yes, friends, this problem is very critical because India is a young country. I mean, India is full of youth. That's why India is a young country. I am 37 years old. Why am I telling my age? It's an interesting point. And I completed my higher secondary in 2008. Right? From that era, I have been looking for a job, but I am unable to get any job. And it has been 15 years. Since 15 years, I have been searching for a job, yet I haven't found any particular job. I am a private teacher, right? Why have I told all these things to you? Because this government is not providing jobs to the young generations. This government is just focusing on building temples and increasing religious things inside the country. This is a truth, it's a bitter. There are several peoples, there are several youths who are unemployment, and they have degrees, they have knowledge, they have talent, even though they are not getting job. So why? Because this government is not providing jobs to the younger generations, right? And I have already told you, I am not criticizing, I am not speaking against any administrations, any particular government. I just want you know the truth, which are very important. And India is the toppest country in the matter of population. So we are unemployment. So what would the young generation do? They will do anti-social activities. Anti-social activities will be done by the young youths who are unemployment. So please, I request this government, please provide us job because we are educated, we are talented, we have everything. Please, thank you so much for watching.